Objective: to study about adding manure and fertilizers. Topsoil supports a crop to grow and derive mineral nutrition from it. Once a crop is harvested, the topsoil in which the crop has been growing gets poor in nutrients. Hence, farmers have to replenish the soil with nutrients with the addition of fertilizers. Fertilizers are the substances which contain nutrients essential for plant growth. Fertilizers may be natural or organic fertilizers and chemical or inorganic fertilizers. Examples for natural fertilizers are compost or manure, green manure, and bone meal. Examples for chemical fertilizers are NPK and urea. These are produced in factories. Manuring the soil. The process of adding manure to the fields is called manuring. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal wastes, waste food, dead and dried leaves, and offal. Offal is the leftover flesh from the slaughtered animals. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms, and the decomposed matter is organic manure. Adding green manure to the soil. There is a time gap between harvesting a crop and sowing of the next crop. Instead of leaving the field without any plants on it during the gap period, a fast-growing leafy leguminous fodder crop such as Trifolium or Alfalfa or Sesbania is sown. This method is called intercropping. This crop comes up soon and it yields green, leafy fodder for the cattle. Its roots bear root nodules with nitrogen-fixing bacterium. This enriches the soil with mineral nutrients. While preparing the field for sowing the next crop, the field is ploughed along with green leguminous crop and its nodule-bearing roots. They go into the soil and decompose to form organic manure called green manure. Natural way of enriching soil by nitrogen fixation. 78% of air is nitrogen. Microorganisms such as rhizobium, which are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants, convert atmospheric nitrogen into water-soluble compounds. This is called fixation of nitrogen and it enriches the soil naturally. Rotation of crops. Growing of a leguminous crop in between two cereal or vegetable crops is called rotation of crops. It also enriches the soil. For example, soybean and maize. Adding chemical fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical compounds of mineral nutrients for plants. They comprise salts of nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and potassium K as NPK, or single nutrient such as superphosphate P, potash K, or urea N. In addition to these, some common fertilizers used by farmers are diammonium phosphate DAP and calcium ammonium nitrate CAN. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy, and maize. However, excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile and also become a source of water pollution. Hence, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or to leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. Advantages of manure. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances water holding capacity of the soil. It makes a soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil.